Thank you.
May it please the court, we had a first appearance back in March on this matter by Zoom, where Mr. Redford appeared and was advised of bond conditions. This is the first time that this appears in front of your docket. I've brought two evidentiary issues in front of Mr. Sweeney for his review. Both would be potentially dispositive and may require a motion. He would like some time in order to review it because he has not had the benefit of reviewing the video yet.
A busy Butler County courtroom begins with multiple defendants waiting, but one driving while suspended case immediately raises the stakes. A trial request instead of a plea hints this dispute is far from over. Watch closely because every courtroom decision matters. Subscribe for more dramatic breakdowns today and stay informed.
There's the gentleman at the Quachita Correctional Center.
Washita.
Your Honor, I am
Yes.
getting ready to change the name. That is Mr. Kirkland, 17 CR 544. When Darren returns from the breakout room he is in, he needs to go into one with Jared, and then we need to take this at the top of the docket.
Yes, I'm sure we do. In the meantime, Mr. Schonifer, I see you there. You're here for which one?
Yes, I'm here for Julian Salas Ortiz.
And our prosecutors are ready. Who's my prosecutor on this? Mr. Regier?
I am available, Your Honor.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, Your Honor.
We're on the record in BU 2025 TR 1583, State of Kansas versus Julian Salas Ortiz. Please get on the record for the District Court of Butler County, Kansas. On the record on our Monday, June 15th, 2026, misdemeanor docket. I've just called State of Kansas versus Julian Salas Ortiz, BU 2025 TR 153, and ask counsel to announce appearances.
Jared Regier on behalf of the state.
And on behalf of the defendant, Mark Schonifer appears, Your Honor.
And how does your client wish to proceed on this driving while suspended charge?
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Because I've attempted to negotiate this case, we don't seem to be getting any meaningful negotiations going. Let's just set it for trial, Your Honor.
You want a bench trial or jury trial? The next jury trial is June. What's the date on that, Jenna? June what? It's not this week, is it?
No, that would be July 8th.
July 8th? I didn't realize I had one in July. Okay. Let's go where you send me, though. Let's see. Counsel, do you want to set that for a jury trial? Is that the pre-trial or the actual jury trial?
Your Honor, we'd like.
Has the court added a new docket recently? State's understanding
That's what I'm wondering.
I apologize. I thought you asked for a bench trial.
Oh, okay. Well, Mr. Schonifer, I'm sorry. Which did you say, bench or jury?
Your Honor, if we could get it set for jury trial, that'd be great.
All right. So our next
trial is August 3rd, with jury being the 5th and the 6th.
Okay.
Now the pre-trial would be by Zoom. The jury trial, of course, would be live.
Sure.
Okay, do you want to do that, Mr. Schonifer?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Regier, does that work for you?
no objection from the state, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Then, Mr. Salas Ortiz, where are you? There you are. Is that going to work for you? Any reason why you couldn't be here those 2 days?
Yes.
Si hay alguna razón por la que
This is interpreter speaking. I was requested to assist Mr. Julian Salas Ortiz. Would you like me to interpret all that's been said so far?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Muy bien, el estado de Kansas contra Julián Salas Ortiz, caso BU 25TR 1583. El abogado Mark Schoner está solicitando que se lleve a cabo una audiencia para estar frente a jurado. Estas se pueden presentar el día 13 de agosto, siendo los previos juicios por medio de Zoom el 5 y el 6, y ya como tal, la audiencia sería en persona o en vivo. Si no hay ninguna objeción por parte del Estado, se le solicita al licenciado Regier que por favor nos confirme, y el abogado por parte del Estado, el señor Regier, confirma que no tiene ninguna objeción. ¿Está usted de acuerdo, señor Julián Salas Ortiz?
Sí.
Yes, he's in agreement.
All right, Mr. Salas Ortiz, I'm going to continue this at your request and on the bond of $1,000 you posted October 22nd, 2025.
Bien, señor Salas Ortiz, voy a continuar esto según su solicitud y con la fianza establecida por $1,000 que se pagó el 22 de octubre del 2025.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, added conditions of your bond are that you reappear by Zoom August 3rd at 9 a.m. and that you appear for jury trial August 5th and 6th in person.
Entonces, las condiciones adicionales son que tiene que presentarse nuevamente para poder mantener la fianza por medio de Zoom el día 3 de agosto a las 9 de la mañana. Y para el juicio que se llevará a cabo ante jurado será el 5 y el 6 de agosto en persona.
Ok. Sí, sí, y yo ya tengo mi licencia también, sí, sí sabe ya, ¿verdad?
I also have my license already. They're aware of this, correct?
It's okay. Look,
About
I'm
that.
sorry. Yeah, just give me a call, Julian. Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Sí, para eso tiene que llamarme a mí directamente, Julián.
All right, if there's nothing further, we'll be in recess. Mr. Ortiz is excused from this hearing.
Thank you,
Si no
Your
hay-
Honor.
Si no hay nada más, entonces este caso entrará en receso. Señor Ortiz, puede retirarse de la audiencia.
Okay.
And
Yes.
Mr. Schonifer, have you any other cases on the docket today?
I do not, but thank you for asking, Judge.
All right, then, thank you. You're welcome, and you're excused at this time as well.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Garcia, you want to see if anyone else needs a Spanish interpreter?
I'm
If
here,
you-
I believe, also for Jorge Guerra.
Okay, let's take up Kira.
Sí, yo
Yes.
soy Jorge.
Here. I am Jorge Guerra.
Your Honor, that attorney is in a breakout room.
Oh, that's Mr. Patterson's client.
Yes.
Okay, can you, next time you have contact with Mr. Patterson, let him know the interpreter's here to help him with this case?
Yes.
All right, I'm sorry, Ms. Garcia, do you have time to wait till we get his attorney back?
Sure, no problem. It's a pleasure.
Thank you. And would you let him know we're waiting on his attorney?
Señor Jorge Guerra, estamos esperando a que su abogado esté aquí en la misma sala, ya que ahorita está en una sala menor con alguien más. Ahorita en cuanto se reúna con nosotros, continuaremos con usted.
Ok, gracias.
Okay, thank you.
Again, if you have time, could you see if anyone else needs a Spanish interpreter?
Por ahora, ¿alguien más necesita un intérprete en español?
The courtroom shifts from scheduling to sentencing. Proving every case demands different preparation. Judges, attorneys, and court staff carefully organize valuations before moving forward. That attention to detail can influence the entire outcome. Would you trust this process if your future depended on it? Tell us below.
And you have time to wait for the other case you said? Very
I
good.
do, ma'am. I do, Your Honor.
Thank you. So, let me see which clerk. Which clerk am I using today? Where are you? Is that Jennifer?
It's Jennifer.
Where are you on the screen, Jennifer? Are you on there?
I am.
You've got to be on there somewhere. Oh, I bet you're on the second screen. I forgot. Maybe?
Yes,
Well-
we have a very full docket today.
I see you. Okay. All right. Well, if you would help me keep track of Mr. Patterson so that we don't delay Miss Garcia's day anymore than we
Yeah.
have to. Okay. Thank you. All right. Next defense attorney, Matt Levitt. Is he on here?
I
And Rob-
am.
You want to take up Robin Evenson?
I'd be happy to, Judge.
Very well. Okay. This is for sentencing. Am I going to need an alcohol and drug evaluation on here somewhere?
I had forwarded that to Jen this morning.
Okay. And Jen, do I have that? Jennifer?
One moment, Your Honor. I will see if he
Okay.
talked with you on that.
Okay.
I will forward that to you and to the county attorney's office.
Thank you.
And I had sent a separate copy to Mr. Sweeney, who I had been working with on this.
Well, if you want to ship one over to Mr. Regier, then it might be in the file. I don't know. Should be in the file. Oh,
Is this going to be Mr. Baca's case or Mr. Regier's case?
Oh, but it is. Mr. Baca, are you covering this morning for Mr. Sweeney?
I am covering it this morning. If that could be sent to me, I'll make sure to have it and use it, put it in the file.
Mr. Baca, can you, I don't auto-populate you in Butler County. If you could be so kind as to dictate.
That's fine, but the clerk said she'd send it to him, whichever you prefer, Mr. Levitt.
What was that? I'm sorry, Judge.
The clerk said she'd send that to him, and she's already sent it.
That's perfectly fine. That's easier. I'll get it from Joe later.
All right. I do have that evaluation from Substance Abuse Center dated assessment June 5th. Let me make sure I've got the right defendant, Robin Evenson. Yes. All right. Let me know when you're ready, counsel. Mr. Levitt's ready. When the prosecutor's ready, just let me know. Where's your client? Is your client in the office, Mr. Levitt?
No, he's on the Zoom. You can see him. He is seated in his car, which is not moving. He's the gentleman who's wearing the button-down shirt. It says Evenson, comma, Robin, and then he has his case number.
Okay. Now, is it pronounced Evenson or Evenson?
It is Evenson.
It is Evenson. I've never seen it pronounced that way. Thank you. I'm glad you printed that.
Thank you.
It makes sense. It's even plus son, but I've always heard Evenson. Oh, but you don't have that extra. Well, yeah, you do. Anyway, Mr. Baca, are you ready?
Brief moment. I'm just now getting the eval, Your Honor. It should take me just a minute here.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm ready to proceed.
All right, we are on the record in BU 2025 TR 1925, State of Kansas versus Robin Dean Evenson. Please announce appearances.
Thank you, Your Honor. May it please the court, Joseph Baca appearing for the state of Kansas.
May it please the court, Mr. Evenson appears in person and by and through counsel Matthew Levitt.
Counsel, it looks like we were last here March 30th of 2026. Plea negotiations were announced. The defendant pled no contest, with state providing factual basis, defendant being found guilty of the sole count of DUI with the drug and alcohol evaluation ordered and sentencing set for today. As I said before we went on the record, I have received from defense counsel the Substance Abuse Center of Kansas's clinical summary report, or in other words, alcohol and drug evaluation. And I understand the state has that also, Mr. Baca.
State does have a copy, Your Honor.
And do we have recommendations for sentencing at this time?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, at this time, and I'm sure Mr. Levitt will correct me if I got any of any prior agreed to terms incorrect, but at this time, the state is recommending the statutory minimum fine for a first offense driving under the influence, that being $750. State is recommending an underlying jail sentence of 6 months. State is also recommending 12 months reporting probation. Recommend defendant pay court costs. I believe Mr. Levitt's retained. Recommend he also pay the probation fee. As far as terms of probation, we are recommending the standard orders of probation, complete a DUI victim panel, and finally, to follow the recommendations on that evaluation, which does appear to be an ADSAP course recommended.
Thank you. And Mr. Levitt, anything further?
Judge, just in support of these joint recommendations, I would point to the court that the only reason that Mr. Evenson is not diversion eligible is because he was right at a 0.17. He was quite literally exactly at the cutoff as a matter of policy with Butler County, the county attorney's office. Otherwise, he meets all criteria. He's taken this case incredibly seriously. I think that's yielded out with the drug and alcohol evaluation. He has accepted responsibility, and I believe that this is an appropriate disposition given the circumstance.
Thank you, Mr. Levitt. Thank you, Mr. Baca. Mr. Evenson, at this time, I will pronounce your sentence. In keeping with your plea agreement, your fine is $750. That is the minimum allowed by law for DUI. You will also be required to pay $108 court costs and $60 supervision fee. I believe that totals about $918. You know how much time you might need to pay that?
I can take care of it pretty promptly.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm also going to give you a 6-month jail sentence, credit for any time served. You will be suspended. That sentence is suspended. You will not have to serve it.
The judge makes one point crystal clear. Avoiding jail does not mean escaping responsibility. Probation, substance abuse classes, testing, and strict compliance now replace immediate incarceration. One careless mistake could activate that suspended sentence. The real challenge begins after leaving the courtroom, not inside it today.
So long as you successfully complete your probation, which is for 12 months, it is a reporting probation. So you will need, after this hearing is over, to call the primary office number of 316-322-4153. Tell them you're signing up for probation. All standard conditions will apply, and probation will set up a time for you to come in and go over those standard conditions. There'll be a reasonable curfew and travel with permission required and that sort of thing. No alcohol, no illegal drugs, of course, during this period. You do have to comply with the drug and the alcohol evaluations finding, which says, based on the information provided by you and the testing criteria, you are not being referred to outpatient treatment. However, you are being referred for the ADSAP, ADSAP, and ADIS, one it looks like, and or. So you'll need to, I'm going to order you to take one of those classes. You will be encouraged to continue to build positive support network. You are required, it's an order that you submit substance abuse screening. If you turn up positive, they're going to reevaluate you positive for drugs or alcohol. And then let's see, it says you were referred to a 1-day ADIS class, and you did provide you were given information on the community resources. Have you completed that ADIS?
He is not yet.
No,
Your
not
Honor.
yet.
Oh, okay. Well, make sure you sign any releases necessary between the treatment provider and your probation officer so they can get verification that you've done what you're supposed to. People don't sometimes understand. It's not enough to do the conditions ordered, but you have to provide proof you did them too. You'll
Thank you.
also have to complete a DUI victim impact panel, and probation can explain that to you. Now, since this is a 12-month reporting probation, I can, if you wish, just order that you pay 1/12 of the total due each month, or I can just set it up 60 days to pay, or whatever you suggest.
Robin, do you believe you can retire that amount in about 60 days or so?
Yes.
Let's go
That'd be good.
60 days, Your Honor, please, and thank you.
You're welcome. All right, I'm going to order that be paid to the clerk of the district court within 60 days from today, and make sure you get proof that you paid that to your court service officer in case the clerk doesn't. It's your responsibility. You're the one on probation. All right, anything else, Mr. Baca, that we need to address?
I don't believe there's anything from the state, Your Honor.
Mr. Levitt, anything further?
Nothing from the defense. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Evenson, anything you need to talk to me? If it's something your attorney should talk, I'll direct you to him, but if it's something about the sentence that you want to ask me, I'll sure entertain that question.
No, thank you.
All right, did you get the phone number to call probation?
Yes.
All right, then do so, and if there's nothing further, we are in recess at this time. Mr. Evenson, I'm sorry, is excused. And Mr. Levitt, do you have anyone else on the docket today?
I do, Judge. I have Mr. Redford as well, who is present by the Zoom platform also. His name is written on the, and he has his video active.
Mr. Redford's video, there he is. I've got a banner up in front of his face. And now I gotta have it down. All right, we will be on the record. Have to hear just a minute ago. There you go. We're on the record in BU 2026 TR 414, State of Kansas versus Quentin Lee Redford. Please announce appearances.
Well, Your Honor, I thought this was Mr. Regeer's case, but I'll go ahead and jump in here. Joseph Baca appearing for the state of Kansas.
All righty.
And Your Honor, I believe that's actually Mr. Sweeney's case, or at least that's who I spoke to last week. Mr. Redford appears in person by and through counsel Matthew Levitt by the Zoom platform.
Thank you.
May it please the court, we had a first appearance back in March on this matter by Zoom, where Mr. Redford appeared and was advised of bond conditions. This is the first time that this appears in front of your docket. I've brought two evidentiary issues in front of Mr. Sweeney for his review. Both would be potentially dispositive and may require a motion. He would like some time in order to review it because he has not had the benefit of reviewing the video yet. I have received full discovery and have reviewed the same. If we could have another status setting for purposes of the county attorney's office having the opportunity to review those issues, that would be appreciated.
Do you see where he appeared before Judge Rickey for first appearance in March? Mr. Baca, does the state have any objection to setting this over for the reasons stated?
Judge, state would have no objection. I do see, while this case originated, it was only back in January, and I know Mr. Levitt even wasn't on the case at that point. I don't think we've had an incredible amount of time pass, so the state has no objection to that request.
And just as a matter of correction, the original bond appearance was January the 14th. The state had not filed at that time and did not actually issue a summons until March the 25th. So I know that it's a little odd and it does look like it might have pended a little bit longer, but I think it may be, it's not quite as long as it appears given the time of the offense or date of the offense.
Okay, well, I will continue this at the defendant's request. He is continued on bond with the added conditions that he reappear. Jennifer, at what time?
August 31st at 9 a.m.
That work for everyone? August 31st at 9 a.m. you said?
Correct.
Your Honor.
Open and available, Your Honor.
All right, this is continued at the defendant's request, August 31st at 9 a.m. Continued on bond with that added condition. Mr. Redford, any questions about that?
No, Your Honor.
All right, stay in touch with your attorney or at least be available when he needs to talk to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Mr. Redford is excused. Mr. Levitt, anyone else on the docket?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you. You are excused as well as with your client.
As today's docket closes, every defendant leaves with new responsibilities, future court dates, or strict legal obligations. From jury trial scheduling to DUI sentencing and case continuances, each ruling carries lasting consequences beyond this hearing. Like, comment, and subscribe for more shocking courtroom stories.